My name is GRATUS LUCADO, and in today's video I will be reviewing to you a house that I made in cardboard and then electrical system. The beginning of this video shows the steps to everything that I did to give me the end result, what you see on the thumbnail. And then before we jump into that, you want to make sure that you don't miss any of the steps because it shows the procedures in making the project. So you want to view that, you want to stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you're new here, what do you think? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and then also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video over here. Okay guys, so here is the final work that I want to show you, and this is just part of the building, and then in front of the building this is what you see, this is what it looks like, and here are the switch that I was trying to show you on the video there. So the switches in front there are the switches to the room, because we can't get into the room and switch on the lights. So those switch over there are serving as what? The switch to the individual rooms. Now you could look here, I made a small meter. There's a small meter at the end over here. So that's the room. So I have my kitchen, I have my entrance, I have the washroom, both the toilet and then the bathroom over there. And then behind the room I have the master bedroom over here, and then the kids bedroom or guest room, whatever you want to call it. Then I have the sitting room over here, so you can view the sitting room. You see that the couch is over there, and then there's a television on the wall over there, and then on the table you can view some remotes on the table there. So that's just that, guys, and that's how it looks like. Okay guys, the sun is already set right now, and I'm just going to demonstrate to you what it looks like over here. So over here I have my power source. Here's the power source, 9-volt battery that I have to connect to this. And in every house, when there's light, you see it on the meter. So I have my meter over here, so that's the power. And over here I have the switch to every room that is in there. So on the far on your right, or on your left, sorry, on the screen right now, I have the entrance switch. So you see the entrance switch, followed by the washroom. Then I have the toilet. So if I want to turn on all the lights, I'll just have to press down the keys over here, the switches over here. So as you can see, I've almost turned on all the lights to the house. Okay, so that's how it looks like. That's the front of my house, the front view of my house. Hang on just a second. Okay, so I have a better view right now. So I'm just turning on all the lights I'm just doing the best to show you how it looks like. Oh, that's cool. So that's the light to all the house. Hello guys, thank you for watching that video. I hope you like it. If you do like it, press the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What do you think about the video? And in any request you want to make, let me know in the comment section below. I'll reply to you. So see you in my next video, and bye bye. Okay, so that's it.